What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you want to make real money in real estate, you're in the right place. Today, we're revealing the 5 best cities to buy real estate in the USA right now. Places where your investment can actually work for you. These cities were chosen after deep analysis of growth, affordability, and long-term potential. We're talking booming job markets, surging populations, and housing demand that's outpacing supply. Get ready to take notes. This info could change your financial future. We'll break down the economic drivers, quality of life, and the real estate numbers for each city. Let's get into it. First up, Austin, Texas, a city that's become a tech powerhouse. Yes, prices have risen, but the fundamentals are unbeatable. Austin's transformation into Silicon Hills is driven by tech giants like Apple, Tesla, and Google setting up shop. This means a steady influx of high-paying jobs and a constant stream of new residents. Demand for housing is sky-high, both for rentals and home purchases. Population growth is off the charts, and supply can't keep up. For investors, this is the perfect environment: strong rental demand, premium rents, and rapid appreciation. Even if you buy at today's prices, the combination of cash flow and appreciation can deliver big returns. Austin's lifestyle, music, culture, outdoor activities makes people want to stay, further stabilizing the market. Once people move here, they rarely leave, which keeps demand strong. The city's appeal isn't just hype, it's backed by real economic growth and job creation. For long-term investors, Austin is a chance to ride one of the most dynamic economic waves in the country. Don't focus on today's prices. Look at the trajectory and the companies moving in. Austin isn't just a hot market, it's a market with a solid foundation. Get in now, before it becomes the next San Francisco in terms of price. The opportunity is real, and the numbers back it up. If you want a market with explosive potential, Austin should be at the top of your list. The tech boom here is just getting started. Austin is shaping the future of work and real estate. Don't miss out. Next, let's talk about Raleigh, North Carolina, the definition of a smart, steady investment. Raleigh's strength comes from the Research Triangle Park, home to giants like IBM and Cisco. These are stable, high-paying jobs in recession-resistant industries. The result? A strong, reliable housing market with consistent demand from well-compensated professionals. Raleigh is still affordable compared to other hot markets, making it easier to achieve positive cash flow. You can buy properties that generate income from day one while enjoying steady appreciation. The quality of life is top-notch. Great schools, family-friendly, and a perfect city-nature balance. People want to live here, and that keeps property values safe. Appreciation in Raleigh is steady and predictable. Think compounding growth, not wild swings. It's a great fit for investors who want to build wealth without the stress of volatile markets. Raleigh offers a world-class job market, high quality of life, and affordable real estate. It's a blue-chip investment in a world of risky bets. If you want a solid, long-term portfolio, Raleigh should be on your radar. The market is reliable, the growth is real, and the risk is low. For steady returns and peace of mind, Raleigh is hard to beat. Don't overlook this gem. Now let's head to Tampa, Florida, a city in the middle of a major economic boom. Tampa is far more than just retirement condos. It's affordable, dynamic, and growing fast. Businesses and people are flocking here for low costs and no state income tax. The population is surging, especially with young professionals and families. This is driving up housing demand and property values across the board. Tampa's economy is diversifying. Finance, healthcare, and logistics are booming alongside tourism. The rental market is red hot, with low vacancies and rising rents. Investors can buy affordable properties and rent them out almost immediately. The lifestyle, sunshine, beaches, sports, and culture makes Tampa a magnet for new residents. High quality of life protects your investment for the long term. Tampa offers affordability, job growth, and explosive appreciation potential. If you want a coastal market with room to run, Tampa is a top pick. Don't miss this opportunity. Next up, Nashville, Tennessee, a city that's outgrown its music-only reputation. Nashville is now one of the fastest-growing cities in the country, with a booming, diversified economy. No state income tax and major corporate relocations like Amazon are fueling job growth. People from high-cost states are moving in, driving up housing demand and prices. The healthcare sector is huge here, making the economy resilient and stable. Real estate prices are still reasonable, especially in the suburbs. The rental market is strong, with demand from new residents and tourists alike. Nashville's unique culture and energy make it a place people want to stay. This cool factor translates into real economic value and long-term growth. Investors can find both cash flow and appreciation opportunities. Nashville is a serious economic powerhouse, not just a tourist stop. The market is hot, the fundamentals are strong, and the upside is real. Don't sleep on Nashville. Finally, let's head west to Phoenix, Arizona, the Valley of the Sun. Phoenix is expanding at a breakneck pace, attracting new residents and businesses. Its affordability compared to California is a huge draw for both people and companies. Major corporations are investing billions, creating high-paying jobs and a new economic foundation. The rise of remote work has made Phoenix a top destination for high earners seeking sunshine and value. Rental demand is through the roof, vacancy rates are at historic lows. Whether you buy single-family homes or apartments, you'll find tenants fast and generate strong cash flow. The climate, over 300 days of sunshine, attracts people tired of cold winters. New developments are everywhere, but demand still outpaces supply. Property values are set for continued growth. Phoenix is a market defined by rapid expansion and opportunity. Get in now to ride the next wave of appreciation. For investors ready for action, Phoenix is a can't-miss market. The boom is real. Don't wait. There you have it, the 5 best cities to invest in real estate right now. Each offers unique opportunities for growth, cash flow, and long-term value. Which city excites you most? Are you already investing in one? Let us know in the comments. Share your experiences and help this community grow smarter together. If you found value in this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We'll dive even deeper into real estate strategies in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.